Well, it seems we've done it again. These are our adorable little quail chicks. There are 12 of them in there. They are going to be white. They're yellow right now. And right next to them are our adorable little Marans, little chickens. Aren't they just so cute? And there's 10 of them. They're doing great. And now we've gotten something new. I'll show you. Today, we picked up these adorable little guinea keets. They are 3.5 weeks old. Oh, let's see if I can get a good shot. The camera wants to focus on the wrong thing. There they are. So if you don't know guinea keets, guinea fowl, which I didn't either until we moved out this way, they are fantastic at eating ticks. They can, each one can eat about 1,000 ticks a day. And up here in these hills, in the Appalachian Hills, we have a tick problem. Well, maybe it's not a problem for the ticks, but it's a problem for the rest of us. And so far, we've pulled off quite a few from a little bit of everybody. So maybe these guys can grow up and then eat some ticks for us. These are guinea fowl, guinea keets. Thanks for looking. Aren't they cute? Bye-bye. We'll see you next time.